Let's learn how to get 4K quality in CapCut. If you want your videos to have the best possible quality but don't know how to achieve that, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. I will show you 2 ways to achieve this, but both methods are the same for Android and iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open the CapCut app. Once you open CapCut, you will be on the home screen where you need to click on New Project. After clicking that, a page will open where you need to select the video you want to set to 4K. Once you've chosen the video, click on the Add option located in the bottom right corner. After that, a page will open where you can edit the video. On this page, click on the 1080p option located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on it, you will have 3 settings you can adjust. Move the first slider all the way to the right to set the video to 4K. Once you've set it to 4K, close the menu where you made that adjustment. Next, scroll through the options until you reach the end. Once there, click on the Adjust option. When you click on it, a menu with many options will open. In this menu, click on Contrast and set the contrast to 20. After setting it, click Done in the bottom right corner. Then, scroll through the options a bit and click on Saturation. Click on Saturation and set it to 20, then click Done in the bottom right corner. Again, scroll through the options and click on Sharpen, set it to 20, and then click Done in the bottom right corner. After that, expand the adjustment over the entire video, and that's it, you have a 4K quality video. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.